The library explains its services for part-time students. This is Florian. For his seminar paper, he needs literature from the library. Because he is working and studying at the same time, he rarely manages to get to the library. So, how is he supposed to find literature? He writes an email to the E-Auskunft, which is an electronic information desk, and gets an answer the very next day. The librarian explains to him that as a member of the university, he can use all the library's services, even if he is studying part-time. The library is also open on Saturdays, especially for part-time students. Thus, Florian might be able to come by. The opening hours can be found on the website. If he can reach other branch libraries more easily, he can also go there. The librarian recommends Florian search the online catalog, Kai, beforehand. Here he can already get information about existing literature. He can log in with his student ID and extend borrowing periods and reserve or request books. If he does not manage to get to the library in person, he can log in from anywhere via the off-campus access and use the electronic media service. All he needs is his student ID. Now he has access to ebooks and e-journals as well as other electronic publications, such as articles in journals, essays, working papers and databases. He can search the databases for standards and patents, statistics and laws. The large stock of e-media complements the print media in the library very well. Finally, the librarian gives him a hint. In case of difficulties with the literature search, Florian can use the research consulting hours in which the library team helps him with his research. The consulting hours are offered in person or online. Florian is glad that he can do so much from the comfort of his own home. For all remaining tasks, he can take time on Saturdays to come to the library. The librarian can help him with further questions, also by email. Are you also studying part-time and do you want to use the library's media? Do you have any further questions? Do you need help with research or do you want to attend a library training session? Visit our website and learn more about our services. The library will help you.